So we just had Guy Fawkes Day in London, and there seemed like the fireworks were completely endless. And for events, when we talk about fireworks, they are very disruptive to the environment around us. There's a hell of a lot of sound pollution. You have to deal with a lot more safety requirements. You have to deal with a whole bunch of things that makes the event process a lot harder. So what are some alternatives to fireworks? So first we have confetti, we have laser shows, we have drone shows, we have projection mapping as well. There are a whole bunch of different ways in which we can creatively use technology in order to create that big wow factor for big events over using fireworks, which present their own hazards on site, and they are also very disruptive to people in your neighborhood.